Hello students, today we will learn about nutrition and the human digestive system. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization by the body. Food consists of many components: minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Along with these components, we also need to take in sufficient water and roughage. Carbohydrates are complex substances and need to be broken down into simpler substances like sugar. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Let us now look at the parts of the human digestive system. We have the buccal cavity, the food pipe, also known as the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and the anus. Now we will discuss each part in detail. The buccal cavity. Food is taken in through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. The buccal cavity has two main structures in it: the tongue and teeth. We also have the presence of salivary glands in the mouth. Tongue is a thick, fleshy, muscular structure which is present on the floor of the buccal cavity. Tongue has taste buds which help in tasting food. Tongue also mixes food with saliva and facilitates swallowing. So, we can say a particular kind of food is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. Teeth are present in both jaws of human beings. In adult humans, there are 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. Teeth are of four types: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors. There are four in each jaw. Incisors are used for biting and cutting food, mainly plant-based food. Canines. There are two in each jaw. Canines are sharp and dagger-shaped and are used for piercing and tearing food, mainly food that is meat-based. Premolars. There are four in each jaw. They are broad and cusp-shaped and are used for chewing and grinding. Molars. There are 6 in each jaw. They are broad and used for chewing and grinding food. What causes cavities? If we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria begin to live and grow in it. These bacteria break down the sugars present in leftover food and release acids which gradually damage the teeth. This is called tooth decay. the food pipe or the esophagus. The food pipe extends from the mouth to the stomach. Partial digestion of food takes place in the buccal cavity, and the next stage of digestion is in the stomach. The food pipe connects the buccal cavity to the stomach. It pushes the food that has been swallowed into the stomach. So here you can see the food is being pushed down into the stomach by the esophagus. The stomach. The stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure. Its shape is like a flattened U. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It has two openings. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. Now let us see what happens inside the stomach. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Mucus protects the lining of the stomach. The acid kills bacteria which enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic. The digestive juices break down the proteins into simpler substances. The small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. Its wall also secretes juices. Liver. The liver is a reddish-brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac-like structure called the gallbladder. Bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. Pancreas. Pancreas is a large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice which acts on carbohydrates and proteins. The partly digested food now reaches the small intestine where the intestinal juice completes the digestion of food. Absorption in the small intestine. In the small intestine, the digested food can pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. The inner walls of the small intestine have small finger-like structures called villi. Villi increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. The absorbed substances are transported via the blood vessels to different organs of the body where they are used to build complex substances like proteins required by the body. This process is called assimilation. The large intestine. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed then enters the large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. It is about 1.5 meters in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food. food material. The anus. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The fecal material is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. Let us quickly summarize what we have learned. The parts of the human digestive system. We have the buccal cavity, the food pipe, the stomach, the small intestine, liver and pancreas, the large intestine, the rectum and the anus. Here are some fun facts that you can find out. What is constipation? Find any two causes of constipation. What is the role of water, raw fruits and vegetables, and exercises for healthy bowel movements? Please do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon with the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.